What's up, LP Nation? In today's quick Freelance 101 episode number 6, I'm going to give you a quick, easy ninja tip about how to find more resources about freelancing and how to maybe get even more connected with other freelancers, because as you know, freelancing and obviously in general working online can be really hard. And I'm sorry if you hear screaming in the background. It's my crazy parrot. It doesn't want to stop screaming. I'm sorry. Anyways, let us get started. So I told you, online hustler's destiny is a lonely man's destiny, because if you do not connect on local level with your freelancers offline, I'm sure that every country has some kind of a freelance association, but I'm here to help you online because you're certainly not able to look local in 2020 because of this corona mess. But I wanted to help you to feel even more connected or to belong to freelancer community. It's very important when you start out to feel like a freelancer, especially when you get that first money. You'll be very proud and you wanted to share your experiences with other people. Also, when you're down, you want to share that as well to your freelance colleagues. So I'm not saying that you will guaranteedly connect with people here, so it's a good start. It's not a guarantee, but it's a good start. You first have to learn about freelancing so you can apply that knowledge and find like-minded people, of course. And you will find places like Facebook groups, Facebook pages. You can find like freelancers everywhere. This is not a video for that. This is a video to show you freelancer community resources. So what's that? You should go to your main freelancer.com dashboard when you log in, then go to browse and click on community. Okay, when you click on community, I know this is easy, but most of you will never visit this page, unfortunately. I know that because most of freelancers ask questions and watch my videos, and my videos basically are a lot of things you find in my videos you can find here in the articles. So as you can see, this is the main hub, freelancer community. You can type like what you want to learn here, and when you type in the term, you will get everything. But even better is to go through recent articles and like Google everything which could be fun to you. For example, what's freelancer trust score, how to bid ranking guide, bid less, win more, how a killer bio can make you more money. Like every topic we will going to talk about in the video, but I will try to make it more fun than an article. That's the point. You can find here also. So there's design, sales and marketing, development, entrepreneurship, freelance headquarter. For example, freelancer headquarter is very fun. These are like contests and everything, but I'm not expecting you to read all of this. It's impossible. That's why I'm making these short videos, so you don't have to read like thousands of articles. Okay, that's the value you're getting out of this. But I'm urging you to try and go out there for yourself a bit and pique that interest, like start that fire inside of you, because you will need to instill that passion like flame if you want to endure in this online game. And these articles, to make a disclaimer, these articles are not only useful for freelancers, they're basically useful for anyone who's starting online, who is a beginner. So you see here, entrepreneurship, development, like you freelancing, you can go to entrepreneurship and you can like how to kickstart your personal branding, 13 online business ideas anyone can start, like startups 101, reinventing financial. This is awesome. Online safety, everything, because these articles are written by people like you and me. You see Peter T, Stephanie Fifond, Cardi Carr. So these are writers on Freelancer that you can hire, but they're also giving free knowledge, free articles on the subjects they're like good at. So it's awesome. It's really awesome. And it's not only that. You can also go to experts tab. Here's the expert tab, and here you can ask a question. Also there's marketing, freelancing, business, but the best resource for me is a community tab and articles, because you will find everything here. Also, as I mentioned, don't be shy. You should like go to Facebook, to groups. If you're an extrovert, you should basically connect. That's my point. If you're an introvert, okay, then you will Google, you will watch my videos, you will get by very nicely, because I'm telling you, I'm a combination. So I did very good. I didn't need to meet anyone offline, but I have a connection with my clients. I talk with them daily, and so I don't feel like lonely. And I read a lot on the topic. So I advise you to go deep down freelancer community, especially in the beginning of your career, because nobody's doing it. Be the opposite, do it. You'll see there isn't, I think, a single video on this topic on YouTube, because people think that this is so like easy and self-understandable, but not a lot of people are reading this. Please use these materials, use these articles, read about it. Maybe it will pique an interest in you for something else, okay? Give you an inspiration or everything, because you have to consume content to create content, my LP Nation. You have to consume to create. In the next video, we will go more in depth. I didn't want to burden you with some hard stuff in this one, because in the first 5 episodes, we really got over a lot of important stuff. I want you to still practice. I want you to go through all of my Freelance 101 videos on my playlist if you didn't. And yeah, that's it. Thank you, my LP Nation. Thank you for your support. Keep subbing, and see you in another episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. It was your guy, LP.
Cause